propane heater's safety circuit is more likely to include additional pressure and fuel-specific interlocks compared with a natural gas system. Propane systems operate at higher pressures and use denser fuel, so the safety circuit typically includes a regulator monitoring low and high pressure, a mechanical or electronic overpressure shutoff, and often a separate low-pressure gas safety switch that prevents burner operation if supply falls below a safe threshold. Technicians should first confirm the supply pressure specifications on the unit nameplate and measure static and running pressures with a manometer before adjusting or replacing components. When servicing pilots or ignition modules, always isolate the fuel supply, purge trapped gas from the line outdoors, and verify zero gas concentration at the appliance before re-energizing the circuit. Replace any pressure regulator with one rated for the exact propane inlet and outlet pressures, and use manufacturer-approved diaphragms and springs to avoid drift and nuisance trips. For electronic safety circuits that include flame sensors or ionization probes, clean the sensor with fine emery cloth or replace it if resistance or response times are out of spec according to the service manual. Use a stepwise diagnostic approach. Confirm power and thermocouple or thermopile voltages. Then confirm gas valve coil continuity. Then check pressure switches and regulator operation, and document every reading for future trend analysis. The most common mistakes are misreading or ignoring pressure switch behavior, which leads to repeated lockouts, so inspect and test the switch under load and replace if it lags. Another frequent issue is using a regulator rated for natural gas or the wrong pressure range, which causes poor combustion or unsafe conditions. So always match regulator specifications to the propane system and install testing taps. A third concern is improper purge and leak testing after service that can leave residual propane in the line. So ventilate, use an approved combustible gas detector or soap solution to test joints, and verify no detectable gas before restoring service. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate nearby contractors who work on fuel systems and offers a place for contractors to list services and find new customers. We also host a discussion community where owners and tradespeople share real-world tips, troubleshooting experiences, and supplier recommendations.